Well, I think it all started when my husband and I saw the movie The Business of Being Born, and it absolutely terrified me because I didn't want to be one of those numbers. I didn't want to be on the whiteboard just trying to get through and you know, who's on Pitocin, who's on this, who's on that. That really scared me. So I really wanted to find a provider that was going to invest in me, get to know me, and that I would know would be with me at the big moment, right? That's the moment you really prepare for all those months. And I didn't want a stranger being there. So seeing that movie really forced us to read a lot, to educate ourselves and become aware of the options. So we found our CNM that way, getting out there, researching, and I really enjoyed the relationship I was able to build with her throughout the whole 9 months. I mean, I really consider her a friend, and you know, we could talk about anything, and it was always just a very safe environment. So her getting to know me, thinking about all of the options that we could lay on the table and discuss together, it really made for a very positive experience. So when the big day came, you know, it was exciting when she got there to be with me through the last step of the journey. So I've told a lot of friends about my great experience. A lot of my friends are really in awe of my experience, and I think it's good for friends and just people in general to see that birth can be normal. It doesn't have to be scary. There's not going to necessarily be screaming and bright lights. It's all very gentle and normal and natural. And I've told a lot of friends about my experience, and I've encouraged a lot of friends who maybe weren't happy with their experience, or just it was ho-hum. You know, they don't really know what to expect. It was fine. It got the job done, but maybe it wasn't necessarily the best environment for them to consider a midwife. You know, think about how you really feel from that initial appointment. Do you feel safe? Do you feel loved? Do you feel nurtured? And think about how that space could be maybe better for you with a different type of provider.